I'm gonna get this thing all fixed up. It shouldn't be too big of a deal. And what do you think? Should I make a little acrylic box for these? See if we can't save this little 2-inch speaker. Nice new little bead, huh?
Yep.
Baby, you're ruining my video. Is it holding?
So far, yeah.
Cool. Let's get the top part. Fold that surround back out, and then give it a little bit of pressure, and look like it's holding.
It's holding pretty good. Not bad.
Push on it, see if it's got some good motion. Feel normal?
Think so, yeah.
Not too scratchy?
I don't think
Cool.
so.
Okay, we got this thing put back together and kind of ready to play. The glue's stuck really nice. There's only one problem. Slight bit of coil misalignment on our parts. I mean, it's put right back together the way that it was, but the coil's misaligned just a little bit, and it feels a little bit scratchy. So I know it'll play, but who knows what it's gonna sound like. I mean, I think it'll play. Let's hook it up and see. And if it plays, even if it's a little scratchy, we'll build a little tiny box for it. Yeah, it's definitely damaged. Well, the sub is clearly damaged. The scratchy coil is probably making that impedance go nutty right now. But I bet if we hooked it up, we could get it moving. There we go. Oh yeah, it don't like it. Nothing in the high range at all. A little bit of pink noise. Pink noise sounds terrible. Turn that up just a little bit. I mean, it's moving. That's a good sign. It's moving pretty good, just a little scratchy. I say we build a box for it. Of course, I'll replace it, but I think we can build a box. Put a little bit of low end into it, even if it doesn't really like it too much. At least it's moving. So I spent a little bit of time over here on the laser, spent a little bit of time on CAD, tried a few things out. I decided to go with a sub up, slot port back, a traditional one, old school style, the way we still like to do it to this day. And let's see how this thing comes out. All right, so we got some sides here. We got a top baffle. Let's see, what do we got here? This is the maybe the bottom or the top. No, that's the back. This would be the front. We got a very bottom, so I think we're gonna put it together and put the back piece on last so I can get to the seams a little easier. So here we go. It's a little bit more complicated than it looks. It's a pretty simple design, but there's lots of little tabs going on here. So we put that in there like that. We got a little port right here. Here's our port. That's gonna snap into place this way. Okay, so that just kind of goes in like that, and then this sits in there like that little tab. I gotta be able to do this without making it all fall apart. Let's see what's going on here. Did I have that in there right? Oh, that's not right. Okay, hold on a second here. All right, I had my port in there backwards, but I fixed it. So now it's correct. And we've got a top baffle right here. Got a little hole for us to put our terminal cup in as soon as here's the little back piece, which we're going to pull back off before we bond everything together. Look at that. Bam. Look at that. Sub up, port back. Slot port at the bottom. Tahoe style. Let's bond it all together so it doesn't fall apart. Mini terminal. Now I did this knowing full well that this is going to have to be replaced. It's not in very good shape. So I'll have to cut that and put a new wire on there and everything. But for YouTube purposes, you know I got to do it right. We got a little heat shrink on these terminals. And this thing is going to drop in place. Now since I know I'm going to have to pull it back apart, I'm using red double-sided tape. It's made for acrylic. But if this was going to stay and be permanent, I'd probably put a couple drops of solvent in there too. But right now, we're just gonna bond that in place with this. It should seal it pretty good and it should be tight. Okay, I may have forgotten to mention this, but these holes The 4 holes around each one of these are tapped, and I'm using 6 by 32 . All right, let's cool. Let's hook it up.
Before I had the cherry, legendary. When I go, they'll be smoking out the cemetery. Cause I used to get it by the sheet. Big house for a week.
On this killer with my niggas, just like bosses. Cost 1,000 for the place that we feasting on.
Good weed, pretty girls in my whip. Talking shit. Gel tabs on my tongue, what a journey. I just threw the homeboy a quick 30. Splash to this dope shit. The streets love burn. Independent, play my own. Good weed, pretty girls in my whip. We be really in the mix. We be really in the mix. I be all in the club. Talking shit.
Yeah, this one right here is moving more than that one. So you know there's something wrong with it. Yeah.
We got the same weed, but my taste different.
All right, so clearly this one right here is not happy. I can hear it. It's a little rattly, but it's still pretty cool to see the woofers moving. I can feel a little bit of wind coming out of that port. It's a little novelty, something you can put up on your desk, something that actually works, that looks cool. I'm gonna replace this sub right here, and it should sound a lot better. I can't even throw the IMSG on it and see what the box is tuned to yet, because that coil is going to mess up my readings. So we'll do that next, and maybe hook up some more LEDs and see if we can get this thing really popping. I'm going to order me a new 2-inch sub, and we'll take it from there. But right now, I'm out of here. That was fun.